because I'm blind. All right. Well, the core of the Krolo platform, obviously, we think of ourselves as an AI work OS. So what that kind of means is AI is interwoven in kind of everything that we do, right? It's not just a project management platform that's got a kind of the smattering of Ask AI, features. This product is built from the ground up with artificial intelligence or general artificial intelligence in mind on almost every feature that we have. The core and the foundation of the product is built on project management. And so what differentiates us in the market is we're actually able to pull data from almost any of the major project management softwares that exist. And we're also capable of generating projects on the fly using AI, kind of how you would prompt something like ChatGPT to build content. So whether this is a marketing project, I can have a simple prompt and I can tell it what I want, and then it will generate that project for me. So that's one aspect of this where you can tell AI, in a prompt format of what you're after in terms of a project, and then it will build it for you. But where the beauty of this really shines in project management is we have the capability to take documentation from the platform and have it build projects. So instead of just prompting my way to project heaven, let's say I had something like an RFP document that was due that I needed to really walk through and pay attention to. We have the capability called Add Knowledge, where I can take a piece of documentation, whether that be a spreadsheet or a PDF. I could feed that to the system and I could say, hey, can you use the attached documentation to build a project? And this happens to be an RFP document. And so it just takes seconds. And Krolo will actually analyze everything in that PDF, and it will actually build a project based on that RFP. So in this case, we want to build a response for it, right? We just got an inbound RFP, who knows what it is for. And we can now build a project based on everything that's in that information. Now, before I can insert this, I still have the full power of AI to leverage subtasks or, flesh it out even more before I insert it into the system. And then when I do insert it into the system, I got this beautiful digital project like you would see in a normal project management software. Now, what are the advantages of the Krolo platform once you have this beautiful project that's built? Well, as I start to flesh out this project and give it some life, we give you the capability to, again, use AI to explore data. And so as this project progresses, more people get added to the project to complete tasks. I have an AI assistant that you can think of as a junior project manager that sits here, and it's able to give you answers about any of the metadata that could be attached to this. Is there anything at risk? Who's overloaded with tasks? How many high priority versus low priority tasks do we have? Literally any of the metadata that's available in the project. You don't have to sit here and dig through like you would a spreadsheet. You can simply ask the AI assistant your question, and it'll dig through the project data, and it will find the answer for you. Now, a very unique portion of Krolo is we have our own machine learning layer, our own AI that we've built, and it's trained to use all the popular models to interact and build content. So we're not just stuck with ChatGPT under the hood, we're multimodal. And that means we have access to all these pretty LLMs like Anthropic, Claude, ChatGPT. We're actually exploring DeepSeek R1 right now, which is the Chinese model that you might have heard of in the news. So that's another thing that we're able to train on. So what makes Krolo so flexible is we have a governance layer of AI that's able to look at other models and train itself on how to manipulate those layers to build content, to create projects, to analyze things.